Hello, good day friends. So I found a new quantitative platform that you can actually explore. So as you can see, this is a live wallet account that I've been using for different quantitative platforms. So quickly, as you can see right here displayed on my screen, these are certain withdrawals and deposits that I've made, and I've also made different form of withdrawals for real-time live value for this account. So quickly, let me show you how this platform works. Now primarily, all you just need to do to get started is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you're going to be finding it in the pinned comments of this video. So once you click, it's going to bring you here to this interface. You can go check their customer service and also check the official channel. Now first of all you just need to do is to just click on start now. So once you click on start now, right here in this video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal on this account so you can see for yourself. So once it brings you to this interface, you are just going to come here so you can read through all these things. As you can see, what is written here is CBAN Still Water. Now it's actually a quantitative platform that you can earn from, and there are different form of recharges that you can do here, or like call them different form of upgrade that you can do here to get some certain purchases that will give you some certain value on a daily basis. Now after you get to this interface, just make sure you go through this phase. Now if you go through this phase, let's see where it works. Here you can see there are level 1 unlock, there are level 2, and there are different form of upgrade that you can see here, and it's going to be giving you different form of amounts. Now primarily all you just need to do to get started is to first of all go through this and decide the one that you want to start with, and then so that you can know what you are going to be earning after 24 hours. Now if you want to recharge here, you're just going to click on recharge here. You can see recharge is actually the first is the major icon you are seeing on my screen. You can make use of USDT BEP20 that you see here. All you just need to do once you see USDT BEP20 is to just copy down the address, and then you fund it using your DEX or your SEC. We have USDT BEP20, we have TRC20 network on USDT, which you can also copy from here and recharge. Now after that, after you are done recharging, based on you have seen the level that you want to unlock and make purchases from, this is how you are going to what next you are going to do. Just click on the me icon that you see here. No, before you go to me icon, come to tax. Now after you've made that purchase, there is going to be a tax that is going to be given to you. Now if I come to this tax, this is actually mine is for level 2 upgrade. So once I do that, I'm just going to click here. So if I click here, you're going to observe that this is going to be giving me 6 USDT. You understand? So if it gives me 6 USDT, let me also tap this one. This one came with a free mission. So let's tap it if we see if we can get something for me. So this was a free mission. So let's see how it goes. So you can see I got 2 here, but what I did here was for level 2 upgrade. So let me quickly withdraw this first of all before I continue with the video. And you can see what I have here is around 6.71 with a startup of level 2. You understand? So it depends on how what you want to do. So I want to make withdrawal of this before I continue the video so we can all see for ourselves. Now you can see I want to make use of USDT BEP20. Please make sure you pay good attention to this. You can see we have BSC BEP20, and we have BSC BEP20 USDC. So I'm going with USDT BEP20. So let me just go copy the address. Let's do it right here. Now if you observe, I've always made this disclaimer when it comes to quantitative platform as this. Please note that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are going to be taking any decision here, you are going to take it based on you want to use any form of capital that you have the ability to let go. So let me just do it this way. Let's go here immediately. Please make sure if you want to even invest in platforms as this, you are making use of funds that you have the ability to let go. And for me, I always make sure I give a good ROI, like let's say within, you can see my withdrawal is successful, right? So my target is always within 7 days. Now if I'm earning 6.71 in the next 7 days, you observe that in less than 3 days I've gotten a return of my own startup. You understand? So what I did was for level 2, and to go for level 2, you could see this is it here. For level 1 is around 9 USDT, right? Then for level 2, which is 23, was around for this level 2 I was earning around 6.7. so you can see in the next 2 days in the next 2 to 3 days I already have how much I started up with. But I will encourage you, if you want to start on platforms as this, you could just start with level 1. You understand? Depending on how you want to try platforms as this, so you could just start with level 1. So let me show you how you can also go see their official channel. If I come here, I tap on the official channel, so you can see right here displayed on my screen. This platform was created April 20th, as you can see right here on my screen. So let's go confirm our withdrawal. Let's see if that's actually arrived. So let's come here, tap on this, let's check it for ourselves. Please make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel so you can ask me whatever question you have in the comment box, and I will be there to guide you and answer you. So you can see our withdrawal have arrived in no time. You can see this our withdrawal right here displayed on my screen. So please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. I will be there to always guide you in whatever question that you have to ask. Thank you guys for watching.